Yes, it's due to the fact that Bybit has listed Hamster Combat to their pre-market. That is the reason why this question keeps coming up all over again. You can observe down that people are confused. People are still asking which is the real balance, if it's the coin or if it's that of the profit per hour. So let's just dive into it right now so that I can show you exactly what I think about it. These are just my opinions. All right. So let's just dive right into it so I can show you what I mean. All right, so on the Bybit pre-market, you can see that the floor price of Hamster Combat is 0.001. All right, so let's just move into my Hamster Combat account here. Okay, so on here, I have about 1.2 billion of the token, and I have profit per hour 3.4 million. Okay, so let's just go into a calculator. Let me show you guys something real quick here. All right, so right now in the calculator, let's say 0.001, which is the price for Hamster Combat, and then we times it times the token, which is 1.2 billion. Okay, so we do 1.2 billion. I don't even know how this. Okay, this is million, and this is billion. Okay, that's 3. So it means that I'll be getting $1.2 million from the from the token, which is impossible because Hamster Combat won't pay this. Okay, I don't think any market would want to pay this. All right, so you can see the problem, right? So let's go over to that of the profit per hour. Okay, so profit per hour here is 3.4 million, right? So let's go over to the calculator to see for the profit per hour. Okay, so let's say 0.001 times 3.4. okay, so let's just say 3.4 million, which is this. Okay, you can see that this might actually generate that's $3,400. okay, which is fair, really fair, honestly. So if they are calculating it by this, then it's actually going to be fair if they want to distribute their tokens this way. But wait a minute, are you sure? Now let's just take a back seat first for a moment. You know that Notcoin actually deducted 3 digits out of everyone's account. So let's just implement that and see if this might actually turn out to be what it is. So let's just say that I have those amounts here. Okay, let's say I have 0.001 for the token price, and then with times it times 1.2 billion that we talked about, right? Okay, so this is 1.2 billion. What if they remove 3 digits from the back of the coins, just the way Hamster Combat did? What if they implemented that same strategy? Now that will give us this. Okay, so let's take out, this is what's going to give us. All right, so if it happens that way, they have to take out 3 digits. This is going to give us, and this is the amount, is going to give us 1.2 million. $1,200. Okay, that's the amount it's going to give us, which is way fairer compared to that of the profit per hour. I don't know if you guys get this. I don't know if you're following this. So if they should implement this method, it's looking very fair this way, trust me. So I don't know if you're thinking what I'm thinking, but in any ways, like I've always advised you guys, please try as much as you can to reserve some tokens and also invest in your profit per hour. You get to the point now. Could that be that you've implemented and you've invested more in profit per hour? I'd say you should take a back seat and start reserving some tokens too. Try to level it, try to balance it. You get why.